Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to insert shapes and modify them in Microsoft Word document. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to click on image, insert in the ribbon, and then I'll find an option called shapes. So click in here, and this gives you a drop-down menu from where you can choose a variety of shapes and including rectangles, basic shapes, equations, block arrows, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to select one from these basic shapes. This is the hexagon, and this gives you a plus sign. So you can, if you can drag it, this gives you the image. Okay, and now we can resize the image. So in order to do that, if you click on the image and go to this little icon, advanced layout size, and click on lock aspect ratio. Okay, so and what it does is it gives you a kind of protection, so it prevents your image from being distorted. So now if you change it, both the height and width changes so that it's not distorted, the image is not distorted. Okay, but if you change that, you can, for example, I'm gonna uncheck this box, and now you can distort your image even if you using this handle in the corner. So I'm gonna go back to the original shape. I think this is it, and then go back again there and lock aspect ratio and hit OK. And then now you can resize it using this handle, and the image is not distorted. You can't even distort it even if you want. Okay, so I have resized it, and you can also use this height and width box in order to increase or decrease the size of the shape. Okay, now click on this and go to image fill and change the color. So you can choose any color you want. You may want this color, the simple one, but you have more color options, more field colors, and you can choose any one of them. And also this is the hex code, like you can bring your favorite color code and bring it here and click OK. So I have already selected my color, and then click on the image or on the shape, and then shape outline. In terms of the outline, so you may have a different color for the outline. Okay, I'm gonna select the black color, and then I'm going back to the color shape field, and shape outline, and I'm looking at width now, so which is the outside width. Okay, I'm gonna click like a little thick outside. Okay, and then go back to shape outline, and there's another option called sketched. So instead of the solid line, you can use these lines as well, the curved lines. So I don't choose this one, this thing. So I keep it the solid line. And you can also, you have the option of using the dashed line instead of the solid line. Okay, so I'm gonna choose one from this drop down. Choose this dashed line. Okay, then I think I'm done with these shape outlines, and then the shape effects. Okay, so the go to shape effects, and there are many preset design for the shape, like this, etc. And shadow, you can get a shadow of this as well. I don't like shadow, or you can add a reflection where you can have a kind of mirror, the reflection underneath the image or underneath the shape, and you can have a glow, so glowing around the shape. So you can choose any color of the glow. Maybe I like this glow, so I'm going to select this one. So this is how you insert a shape and modify it in Microsoft Word document. I hope this was helpful. If you like my tutorials, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.